Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English and Everything. Today, I'm going to share a special story with you, the story of my very first day in college. It was a day full of excitement, nervousness, little surprises, and big new beginnings. So sit back, relax, and join me as I take you through that unforgettable experience. A new beginning. It was a bright Monday morning, September 5th. I remember waking up before my alarm even rang. I was nervous, excited, and had butterflies in my stomach. I got ready carefully, wearing the outfit I had picked the night before. My books were packed, my bag was organized, and I had even polished my shoes. Everything had to be perfect. My mom made me breakfast, toast and a boiled egg. But I could barely eat. She looked at me and asked with a smile, "Are you ready?" I took a deep breath, nodded, and stepped out the door. The journey begins. The walk to college felt different that day. I saw students around me, some chatting and laughing, others walking quietly. Some looked confident. Some, like me, looked a little unsure. Then, I saw the college building for the first time. It was huge and beautiful, like something from a movie. At the main gate, there was a banner that said, "Welcome, new students." And right then, I felt it. This is really happening. I was finally a college student. The first step. Inside the main hall, everything felt busy and new. I held my schedule in one hand, my phone in the other. I had no idea where room 207 was. That's when someone tapped me on the shoulder. "Are you new too?" a girl asked. She looked friendly, so I smiled back. "Yes. I'm trying to find room 207. "Oh great. I'm going there too," she said. "Let's go together." Her name was Ariba, and just like that, I had made my first friend. The first class. We found our classroom and walked in. There were about 40 students already seated. Some were talking, others were quietly waiting. The teacher came in, tall, kind-looking, wearing glasses. "Good morning," he said warmly. "I'm Professor Imran, your English literature teacher." He spoke clearly, explaining how college is different from school, more freedom, but also more responsibility. Then, he asked each of us to introduce ourselves. When it was my turn, I stood up, my voice slightly shaky. "My name is Anne. I love reading and writing. And I'm excited to be here." There was a short pause, then applause. And in that moment, my fear began to fade. Lunch break adventures. At lunch, Ariba introduced me to two more girls, Sana and Nimra. We all sat together under a tree, sharing our lunch and laughing at silly school memories. We talked about teachers, subjects, hobbies, even a few funny moments from class. I felt like I had known them forever, even though we'd just met. We visited the canteen, walked past the library, and even took a quick selfie together. I started to feel like I belonged. The surprise announcement. Just before the final class, the college principal made an announcement over the loudspeaker. There will be a talent show next Friday for first-year students. Anyone interested, please register by tomorrow. My heart skipped a beat. I've always loved writing poems, but I had never shared them in front of people. Ariba nudged me and whispered, "You should totally do it." That poem. The journey home. As the day ended and I walked home, the sunlight was golden, and my heart felt light. In just one day, I had made new friends, met kind teachers, and even considered performing in front of others, something I never thought I'd do. When I got home, my mom greeted me with a hug. "So, how was it?" she asked, curious. I smiled and said, "Better than I imagined." Final thoughts. Looking back, That first day taught me something important. Every new beginning feels scary. But sometimes, the things that scare us the most lead to the best memories. You just have to take the first step. Even if it's small. Even if your voice shakes. The rest will follow. Thank you. Thank you for listening to my story. If you're about to start college, or any new chapter in your life, remember, it's okay to feel nervous. But don't let fear stop you from growing. New people, new places, new chances, they're all waiting for you. Until next time. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep smiling.